How to create incredible leather stickers with Cricut machine. Step 1. If you have a design to use, upload it to Cricut Design Space. Step 2. If you don't have the designs, you can select your options from Cricut Design Space. Step 3. Once you have the design on the canvas, click Offset, set the distance, and click Apply. Step 4. Click the Color Swatch button in the Operation section, then change the color. Step 5. Go over to the Layers panel, select the Offset layer and click Contour. Step 6. Click on the portions that you want to hide from the design, then close the Contour window. Step 7. Select both the design and the offset layer, then resize to the size of the sticker you want. Step 8. When you're ready, click Make, then turn on Mirror for the basic cut with the design. Step 9. Now grab the cutting mat, place the HTV vinyl on the mat shiny side down and scrape it down. Step 10. Go back to Cricut Design Space, click Continue and select the base material. Step 11. Load the mat into the machine and start cutting. Step 12. While it's cutting, grab the double-sided adhesive and peel off the backer. Step 13. Place the adhesive on the leather and smooth it down to ensure that the double-sided adhesive adheres well. Step 14. Once it's done cutting, unload the mat and peel off the vinyl. Step 15. Place the leather on the mat with the adhesive side down. Step 16. Go back to Cricut Design Space and click Edit under the second mat. Step 17. Set the placement of the design on the mat according to the leather placement you've set physically on the mat and click Done. Step 18. Click Browse All Materials, then search and select Faux Leather and click Done. Step 19. Set the pressure to More. Step 20. Load the mat into the machine and start cutting. Step 21. Once it's done cutting, check and make sure that it is cut all the way through, then unload the mat. Step 22. Peel off the excess material from the mat, flip the mat upside down and then remove the sticker design. Step 23. Grab the vinyl you've cut earlier, then weed out the design. Step 24. Once you've weeded out the vinyl, place it on the leather and smooth it down. Step 25. Grab an easy press and press it gently on the vinyl. Step 26. Peel off the liner and your leather sticker is ready. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.